This is the Woodford 55406 stem assembly for the Woodford model 65 and the 67. This is a full brass stem with a rubber plunger here on the end. And from the plunger, it'll come down to this piece here. You should have that little flange portion, and then there will be two holes, one here and then one here on this end as well. And then here at the internal female thread, we'll go ahead and get a total length of the stem from end to end. So it measures right at about 8.5 inches. And then we'll get a measurement of just the plunger assembly here. You can see that measures right below an inch. And then we'll also get an inside and outside diameter here at those female thread. It's got an outside diameter of right above 1/2 inch. And the inner diameter measuring right below 1/2 inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 55406 stem assembly.